What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's video, we need to continue from where we left off in yesterday's episode, which is talking about the possibilities of seeing most major cryptocurrencies exploding as early as this week. Now, we had already seen some pretty solid runs in most of the major cryptocurrencies just a couple of days ago here, but we're also seeing some flares, like flare-ups in a lot of these altcoins due to, the memes, the inauguration, and everything going on right now. Solana is a big one that's getting affected here, but it seems like even after the manipulation, we're coming back down into the technical indicators that we had previously drawn. You can see here that we're going to explode. XRP could be the next one to see that pop in a lot of these major cryptocurrencies. We're already starting that breakup. We already broke out of XRP's bull flag formation here. This is incredible. And we're pretty much mapping out as to whether or not we have more room to head higher, or is this it? And we're going to start to veer downwards here. That's what we're going to be looking at and discussing in today's episode. There's a very good chance this could be forming a new technical indicator too, maybe a descending fractal, maybe a symmetrical triangle. We're gonna have to take a better look at that. There's definitely some sort of uptrend arising here, maybe a downtrend as well. So we'll zoom in on the 4 hours, see what we can see. But aside from XRP, we're gonna be looking at Solana, which you can see big movement in Solana. This is mainly because of the Trump coin and a lot of these other altcoins that have came out on the, what is it called? The Solana blockchain here. This isn't the right one. There was like another Trump coin that came out on Solana blockchain. Where is it? Mega Trump? Is that what it is? No, can't be this one here. It's got to be some other crypto. It's got to be Trump to USDC. Let's see. It's not this MAGA coin. That's just catapulting to the downside here. Certainly, was it this? No, it wasn't this one, but this one's dumping. They're all pump and dumps. It was probably this one that, yeah, this is the one that hit $73 and now has fallen all the way to 38. That's a pretty hefty dump, if you ask me. That's a failing point of, what is this, before we move forward here? 50%. It got halved by 50%. Unbelievable, unreal. But this is pumping into Solana here, and now we're seeing the correction. We're also going to be looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, QQQ, and the S&P 500. So with that all being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we get into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is doing a trading competition that ends in 6 days. Keep that in mind. Just 6 days to take advantage. Get entered to possibly winning free bonus crypto, AirPods, iPads, iPhones, LV backpacks, and even more Rolexes, which is crazy. That's for mega whales if they were trading on here. But if you guys are already trading on an exchange, consider doing it over here, and you can get some free cool stuff. Definitely cool. We'll talk about BYDFI later on in today's episode. Link is in the top of the description. But moving forward and diving into today's video, you can see on the technical analysis, we're down about 3.8%. No surprise there as markets are starting to veer lower. 59 on the fear and greed. Mainly Solana, I think, is seeing the big swing down. And like I said, money moves in and out on these meme coins through the Solana blockchain here. But if you were to choose an investment, it would be Solana, as that is the main, provider of all these meme coins here, but it is currently up 26%. No surprise there. XRP's up 19.7, but it is down. Most of the market's down 5-7% here. Cardano's down 8, Doge down 1, Solana 7.8, Bitcoin down 4.3. I mean, we are starting to veer lower just a little bit, but let's go a bit further and see what we can find here. So you can see XRP has broken out of a bull flag. We were tracking this for quite a while now, filling in this gap very nicely. And then once we confirm closure outside of here, we closed right over here. This was that buying opportunity right at $2.57. Then we had an immediate rally to the upside. Again, no surprise. We knew that breakout was going to come. Bull flag formations are very obvious and notorious for being bullish. So this wasn't a surprise here. But what is becoming new is the new technical indicator forming up top here. There's, without a doubt, certainly something taking place here. I almost want to be like, oh, is this a descending fractal? I don't know. But there is certainly some sort of new bull flag or formation taking place right here. Let's see how it looks on the daily on XRP. Yeah, this is definitely the correct technicals that we have drawn here. And you can see there's a chance these again, if this is accurate, this bull flag will indeed be breaking to the upside here. Not surprising. This is something that we were kind of waiting for here. Typically what happens with XRP and these cryptos is after we see a run, like after we see breakouts, they form new breakouts. Like once we see one technical indicator, you can see we had it here. We had this little descending fractal, then we blew up. Then we had another bull flag, descending fractal, then we blew up again. And here's another one forming here. So they typically tend to be in sync with each other. They tend to form these patterns here, so I'm not surprised that we're seeing this here. Let this pan out. If we can confirm closure above resistance, we could expect to see another rally. I know we've done that in the past, so we'll have to pay a little more attention to it maybe on the daily charts here. But again, no surprises there that we're forming new indicators. We'll do these trades on BYDFI, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use. BYDFI is currently offering, they have XRP to leverage trade. That's what makes them unique from other exchanges here, which is very cool. So if you were interested in trading XRP, you could take advantage of it on the BYDFI platform here. You can see we tracked this on here as well. Beautiful symmetrical triangle bull flag, beautiful breakout. It was an extremely, and when I tell you extremely easy, a textbook buying opportunity that we called. We knew something was forming here. We waited for the breakout and then we were able to capitalize. So like once we got that confirmation above the downtrend here, we knew volume was going to full steam us ahead. We broke through that like mental barrier and boom, to the upside. Easy opportunity to take advantage of here. But aside from XRP to leverage here, they have a lot of other cryptocurrencies too, Bitcoin and a whole slew of others. But you can buy long, sell short, market orders, stop limit orders. I mean, everything and anything is offered on BYDFI, including trailing stop losses. They have a demo trading account. They have a reward center. So you can sign up and get up to $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency. Where did that go? Here we go. Up to $8,100 in free bonus cryptocurrency, $100 to anyone that signs up, and then $8K if you're like a whale. But you can see tons of things you can claim, which is super cool. Daily rewards, exclusive rewards, hot rewards. It's a decentralized exchange, which is super cool. And then they have a demo account, which gives you $50K in demo money to practice trading your skills, get familiar with the platform, learn how to trade, don't get rusty. And then if you make some successful trades in a row, head on over to the live account, use that bonus money, because all bonus money earned is all profits earned off bonus money can be withdrawn, which is epic. So it's pretty much free money. You might as well take advantage of it. Link down in the description below. But aside from BYDFI, looking at these other cryptos, aside from XRP, like Solana here, Solana veered very high. We saw this. Not only did we become overbought, but we headed above a major resistance. We kind of had drawn an ascending fractal here that we were playing in, and then we pumped through it, and I was like, that's a little abnormal. And you can see just as high as we went up, we went back down. So now it makes a little more sense here, and I think we'll probably consolidate out. We need some new technical indicators. We don't have any just yet to really say what's going on with these markets, so we need some more to take place. Certainly, it's tough. Maybe a downtrend. Maybe something like this. Again, way too early to tell. Maybe I'll keep my eyes peeled on the Solana formation. This could be a descending fractal, and if that's the case, we could see another pop on Solana here very quickly. So that's interesting. I'll leave that there for you guys. Ethereum consolidating as well. There's a lot of weird stuff forming in here. Like it's clearly we're stuck between a rock and a hard place. Like rejection, 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 filling this gap in. We're waiting for some pop or some pump to happen here. Not surprised if it does. So keep your eyes peeled on this. I would expect to see it happen fairly soon. This is like the only crypto that hasn't seen any sort of volatility or volume, while all the other cryptocurrencies have. So I would think it's well overdue to see that run within Ethereum. So it's just a matter of when it's going to happen. Bitcoin already saw that breakout side of here, but consolidating as well. Again, we need to wait for technical indicators to form. Like XRP has something, Solana has something. We need to see that within like Bitcoin and Ethereum before we can really figure out what exactly is happening here. This doesn't, maybe an uptrend, but it's too early to tell. There's nothing here that really tells me what's going to happen. QQQ breaking down a hair, but we are outside a major downtrend. Is it possible to extend this and include it? I don't. Maybe I'll leave it like this. We'll leave it alone. This could be accurate here. And if that's the case, we'll be falling to the downside. But inevitably, I do believe we could be due for a run. Regardless, we'll be sitting ducks, being patient, waiting for that to happen. S&P looks okay, starting to reverse down. Again, if it's similar with QQQ, we could extend this out just a hair. I don't know if it's accurate enough, but this would, again, cause consolidation. And if we hold true, we could pump higher, or we'll see this dump and we'll put in even more money. So either way, we're up. And that's really all that matters. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.